awesome day on the video, and today we're going to be doing some valve swapping because all the air comes out of this valve as well as where it takes in all the air, and this is the intake. That's not supposed to happen over here. But this valve, I don't even think it's working right. So because we have compression, because I feel air being pulled in to this valve and being shot out to this valve is what, well, not this valve, but not being shot to this valve, being taken in and shot out to this valve. So to fix that, we are going to take this part off, top of the engine off, so we can get to the valve springs down here and swap out valves from another engine that I have. It's in the engine box. So yeah, let's get to it. I had to change valves, but I don't think I did because they both seem to be firing at their normal rate. So the piston comes all the way up, drops down, lets the exhaust out. One comes up, gas comes out, piston fires, goes down, and goes back over. Yeah, I might just have to kind of clean all this up. Just where you take your helium, like metal brush, just kind of, well, not like a metal brush, but just something to kind of clean this off with. Ooh, smoke on there. Old carbon, I guess I like to say. The combustion in the engine. Looks like we had a small leak out there. But I have a couple of gaskets over like in this kind of parts pile. So actually I even have a tack that I'm gonna set up for this. Not sure yet. But yeah, I definitely gotta get this all cleaned up, and it might work after that. We'll have to see. As always, it's an adventure. Fixing and building these. Something fun to pass the time, for sure. So yeah, I'll throw you back on a time lapse and see where we are there. Cleaned up. I think I'm going to put like a side-by-side. I'll take a screenshot from the video and do a side-by-side of before and after. But yeah, it looks a lot better than it did for sure. Got this valve nice and clean again, all like it's all cleaned out, so it should flow a lot easier. I have seen a couple like tricks, like you could file the intake so it gets a little more gas easier. You file the exhaust so it goes out quicker. Seen that before. You file it down so it's like right next to the piston. That's probably the housing scrapes against the housing cover, like the housing cover getting scraped against the flywheel because it's not all the way bolted in. But, yeah. So, nice and clean now. Maybe not down here. But, most of the engine, yeah. I think we did a pretty good job. So now it's all left to do is put everything back on. So yet again another rebuild kind of a deal. So yeah, let's get to that. Alright, it's all done. The intake is actually pulling harder on itself than it was before, so you definitely probably fixed the problem by cleaning off those intake and exhaust parts. I definitely feel a much stronger push from the exhaust than I did. There's barely even a push, like it was barely the air coming out. The intake, feels kind of like when you put your hand on a vacuum cleaner now, so that's good. So yeah, I think we are ready to throw the exhaust back on, put the carburetor on, and then this bike may move. I think, well, yeah, this is about does it for this video, I think. I think this bike might be running by the next one, hopefully. After new gaskets, new seals, had the entire block clean. I'm ready to put it back on here, try and get it going. It's alright that the slab looks like a mess, but still, yeah. So, this is an old door to something. I think it's probably a motor deck door or something, maybe a maintenance door. I put it on here instead, so I could put maybe a toolbox or something on this. But that's another video and another time. So as always, remember to stay awesome. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Please always keep it in your mind. Who's your squad?